What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are about to do a reset. It is time for a reset, you guys. Now this is a paver set. This is to cover the joints in your pavers, so every time you lay down pavers or something, this is the stuff that you're supposed to use. So what you do is you spread it down, you use a brush, you brush it in the joints, and then you gently rinse it off. All right, and then you should have a filling. So this is like putting grout in when you put your towels in. Same similar situation, kind of, but it's not the same thing. But it's to do the same similar situations to cover the joints. So this joint width of 1/4 to 1.5 inches. So there you go with that. Now this is to reduce weed growth, in which you see that we have a lot of weed growth when it comes to our joints. So that's why I'm doing another joint. Well, that's why I'm doing a reset. I call it reset, but it's called paver set right there. So I call it a reset. So this is basically the same thing that I used when I put these pavers down. So me and my dad actually laid down all of these pavers right here. I have to fix the ones at the very end. They're kind of going like downhill. So I do have some gravel, some leveling gravel. I will try to fix some of these pavers out. The rest are good though. It's just like maybe like 4 of them down there that need to be fixed up. So I might fix those up. So this is a gray from, what is it? Lowe's, I believe. I'm just doing one side at a time, you guys. So once I fill in this side, then I'll do this side over here. So I will just do one side for now, and we should be good with that. But other than that, that should be it. So I will try to fix those today. If I don't fix those joints over there today, I might wait until another day. So I won't put no set sealant over there. I'll just put it where I need it, and then I'll go ahead and reset those pavers over there. All right, and that is about it. And there we go.